Then chat. Una no see what I go on pan the app. Dyema and figure it out. Have the chat one where the app change. 360. No more bagga. No more argument. I just bear love. Now the matching tattoo with Dyema and figure it out. It's a good look. Even if them not make it out like first be together, them are be friend forever. Me like it. So, no more bagga, no more mix up. I just bear love. And everybody I figure it out right now. All myself, I figure it out. Because any man will feel like they want to step to me, them have to go and like figure it out. And me go and like Diamond. So sit back and relax and watch this. Me I go tell you no, and me I go tell you no again. Whether Dyema figure it out is going to be together or whether it's a prank or not, I like the series. And I am enjoying the series. But one thing though, Dyema figure it out on a brave. Me not think I could have put the tattoo on me, you know? I'm afraid I need go. So our topic right now, figure it out, and Dyema got matching tattoos. Happiness has no limit. Let the series continue. Friendship for life. Why me like the love series right now? Me no want no more mix up on the app. Right now me like this. Continue. It's a good look. Right, so.